Ever wondered what happens when cars decide to break all the rules of physics? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the most hilarious, ridiculous, and unexpected car crashes ever caught on camera. From drivers who mistook the highway for a roller coaster to the world's slowest crashes in history. This is going to be a ride you won't forget. Let's hit the road! His car moves like it's haunted by the ghost of bad decisions. Even Fast and Furious would tell him to slow down. His passengers need seatbelts, helmets, and a therapist after every ride. Bro drives like he's speedrunning real life. His brakes work just as well as a wet paper bag. Even autopilot would refuse to take over this mess. His driving style is a mix of oops and hold on. He treats sidewalks like optional parking spots. His car insurance company probably prays for him daily. The way he drives, even pigeons file flight plans to avoid him. He thinks using turn signals is giving away free information. Every red light he sees just means try again next time. His car is basically a guided missile with no target. Even potholes jump out of the way when they see him coming. His steering wheel must be on autopilot, because he sure isn't controlling it. Dear. He drives like he just found out brakes exist and chooses to ignore them. His car should come with a built-in warning siren. He merges into traffic the way people crash into DMs without looking. His GPS is just there for moral support at this point. Even his shadow refuses to follow him when he's driving. He treats every yellow light like a personal challenge. Bro got his license from the back of a cereal box. His driving style is maximum overconfidence, minimum skill. Even roller coasters have better safety ratings than his car. His passengers have more regrets than a bad tattoo. His turn signal must be sold separately. He treats traffic laws like optional side quests. His driving is so bad, even Google Maps gets confused. He takes every corner like he's in a drift competition, but he's alone. His car moves like it just got released from a horror movie. He drives like he just found out brakes exist and chooses to ignore them. Oh, his car should come with a built-in warning siren. He merges into traffic the way people crash into DMs without looking. His GPS is just there for moral support at this point. Even his shadow refuses to follow him when he's driving. He treats every yellow light like a personal challenge. Bro got his license from the back of a cereal box. His driving style is maximum overconfidence. He drives like he's trying to unlock an achievement for worst driver ever. His gas pedal must be allergic to light touches. Every time he parks, the parking lot loses another line of paint. Even traffic lights are scared to turn red on him. His rearview mirror is just for decoration. Bro drives like he's training for a demolition derby. His driving makes horror movies look relaxing. Even car alarms panic when they sense him approaching. The only thing he signals is chaos. His speedometer must just say too fast at all times. He thinks lane markings are just road decorations. Bro drives like he's in a Grand Theft Auto speed run. Every traffic cone he sees starts preparing its will. His tires work overtime just trying to keep up. He drives like he's permanently stuck in hard mode. His driving is the reason why insurance companies cry at night. Even traffic cones know to run when they see him coming. His car should come with a "Proceed with Caution" sticker for everyone else. He drives like he's playing bumper cars, but nobody else agreed to play. Bro changes lanes like he's dodging snipers. His car moves like it has a personal grudge against the road. Even taxi drivers would refuse to ride with him. His turn signal and common sense have never met. His brake pedal must be a suggestion rather than a function. The only safe zone when he's driving is at home. Even emergency vehicles avoid crossing paths with him. His car insurance policy probably includes thoughts and prayers. Bro drives like he's trying to qualify for the next Fast and Furious movie. Even Mario Kart drivers have more respect for the road than him. His car moves like it's powered by chaos and poor decisions. His GPS recalculates out of pure fear. Every pedestrian near him gets an instant workout from sprinting away. His car doesn't need a horn. His driving is warning enough. He treats stop signs like a friendly suggestion. His driving makes roller coasters look like a lazy river. Even speed bumps file restraining orders against him. His passengers need seatbelts, helmets, and emotional support. Bro drives like the road is personally insulting him. Even video game NPCs have better driving AI than him. His car should come with a built-in warning siren. He drives like he's being chased, but no one is behind him. His driving test must have been a written apology instead. His car insurance company sends him holiday gifts just to keep him calm. Even Google Maps gets motion sickness when he drives. His passengers experience more G-force than astronauts. The only thing smoother than his car's motion is an earthquake. He thinks the fast lane applies to every lane. His brake pedal is either missing or on vacation. His car isn't moving, it's escaping. His passengers need to sign a waiver before getting in. Even bumper cars have more road etiquette than him. His car is just a guided missile with no target. Even the speed limit sign shakes in fear when he drives by. His steering wheel is purely decorative at this point. Bro drives like he's trying to unlock a secret level in real life. Even his own reflection in the rear-view mirror looks worried. His driving makes every ride a surprise adventure, mostly horror. His car insurance agent probably has him on speed dial. Every time he parks, a traffic officer somewhere starts sweating.